It will also cause display some lines come. Continue down. This is the third connector, J2019 display connector. If damaged, it will cause no display or no backlight. Look down again. This connector is the J1111 front camera connector. It is a connector for integrated sensor and handset cable. If damaged here, it will cause no induction, no earpiece, or no front camera. Move over to the side of the motherboard. It also has a small connector. This connector is J801, boot cable connector. The flash drive signal will also be sent to the flash through the power on cable connector. If it is damaged, it will cause no response to pressing the power button and the flash will not light up. Move a little bit. There is a connector here. This is the J802 side cable connector. If it is damaged, the volume cannot be adjusted. Let's take a look at the first chip. It is very small. It is in this position, next to the second connector. You can see a lot of this black glue near it. These chips are very small and we need to clean up the glue to see. This chip is U2301. If it is damaged, it will cause the rear camera to be unable to take pictures and the flashing machine will report an error 56 during flash. Continue to look down. There is also a connector on the side. It is J2118 home and fingerprint cable connector. If damaged, it will cause the home button or fingerprint to malfunction. Next, let's talk about this small chip. This chip is a 16.5V Mesa fingerprint power supply IC. The small chip next to it is a flash IC. If it is damaged, it will cause no flash and flash no light. Or when the power supply, the high current causes the phone to not turn on. No install screen, current normal. Install screen, high current when booting up. Move to the side and take a look. There are two chips that need attention. The first chip is here. The second chip is here. These two chips are display touch power supply and backlight power supply IC. If damaged, it will cause no display, no backlight, and no touch. In addition, it will cause high current when power supply, and high current will not turn on. When the screen is not installed, it is normal. When the screen is installed, the power is high current. In this special case, you can remember these two chips. Okay, keep looking down. This is an AA CPU of iPhone 6. If the CPU is having problem, it will cause various non-booting and abnormal booting. Or not PC connection, unlimited DFU mode, flash error, it has been unable to flash. Further down, everyone may know that J3101 RF is a SIM card holder. Continue down, there is a special chip here. This chip is a gyroscope accelerator, integrated gyroscope and accelerator. If the chip is loosened or damaged, it will cause no gravity induction. Let's look at this relatively large chip here. This chip is Baseband IC. If the chip is loosened or damaged, it will cause no IMEI number and no signal. Failure to read SIM card, silent call, etc. Anyways, these Baseband chips take care of all the signals and it controls everything related to the signal. Let's take a look at the following one, next to this dotted component. It has such a component. It is a power amplifier IC. If it is damaged, it will cause no signal or no signal to make calls, intermittent calls. And it may leak when power is supplied, or it won't turn on when power supplied with high current. Continue to look down, there is another chip here. This chip is also special. This small chip is VCC main sent to the RF power amplifier power supply IC through the inductor FL4002RF. This small inductor is very susceptible to corrosion by water damage. As a result, there is no power supply, resulting in no signal or no signal to make calls. This can be shorted. Let's take a look at the high frequency transmitting power amplifier next door. If it is damaged, it will cause no 4G signal or having 4G information but unable to make calls. It will also cause power supply with leakage and high current failure. Keep looking here, there are two amplifiers. The first power amplifier is the ultra-low frequency transmitting power amplifier B13, B17, B28 channel. Next, this is a low band transmitter amplifier, that is the BA, B20, B26 channel. Down, this is the mid-band transmitter amplifier, the B1, B25, B3, B4, B34, B39. If the channel loss will cause no 3G signal, or 3G signal but unable to make calls. It will also cause power supply with leakage and power on high current will not start. This one next door is 2G power amplifier. If it is damaged, it will cause no 2G signal. Since the positive electrode of the battery supplies this IC directly, it will also cause power on leakage or high current failure. We can see that there is also a chip surrounded by several beautiful small components. This chip is an antenna switch. It is easy to break and cause weak signal or cause no signal on one of 2G, 3G, 4G channels. Next to it, this one is a high band antenna switch. The one below is the battery connector. The battery cable is buckled in this connector. And the bottom one is the J1817 tape connector. This tape connector is connected to the tape plug of the charging part. This is our demonstration with iPhone 6, which is AA CPU. Then you can open our software CXW directly for other chips. You can watch the distribution of all components for most modern phone. This is a software we must do for mobile phone repair.